As you can see, I've taken everything out of my fridge while I was cleaning it, and now I am gonna refill everything back in the fridge, and join me while I do it. Here I've bought some fridge organisers from One Below. These were £1.50. I think they were £4.99 or £3.99, but they were the cheapest I think I found, more than B&M. So I'm going to try and organise my fridge today. So I'm going to leave the paper in there just because I think it looks nice and keep it clean. Some salad tomatoes been put in the side. Tomatoes from previous. Put those here. Got some bird's eye chilli, put them in there. So we have a compartment for each. Got this one and the soy sauce. That's a bit off. Put that in here, won't fit in there. Figure out what I want to put in that section. Put some garlic in there. And I'll put that in the fridge. I put some of my eggs in the fridge and some of them I leave it out just in case I want to bake something and I need something at room temperature. So I'll fill that up. So this tray, I'm going to put all my jars. I'm going to put my cheese in my cheese bag. I can always leave the packet open. I always forget to put it in this cheese bag that I bought. So much pressure. Also what I do is I do cut out the date, just because I always forget what date it is, and I could write it on the packet but it would smudge off. So I always keep it little, kind of, to put it in the bag. So I'll put it in the bag so we know when it's gone off, just the date. Like that, and then put it in here. That's where my cheese will go. I've got another packet, I don't know why I've got another packet, I didn't realise we had some cheese left over, but here we go. That's it. That's the cheese compartment done. See, I've got my fruits here. I wasn't sure if I should put it in here because I do like to take the whole packets out and wash it and eat it. I don't like it in the plastic. I'd rather keep it in this original plastic. So instead, I think I'm going to put the yogurts in these containers, keep them more organised. Cheesecake in here. Actually, put it in here. Maybe I should got a bigger container for the yogurts. So these are stackable containers. Which is really good. Takes space. I'm going to put that in the fridge now. So here I will be putting the rest of the vegetables. Organise that. These vegetables. These are my coriander box. So I have all my coriander. I'm a big family, so I always need lots of coriander if I can fit it in there. Okay, I can fit it in there. I will just put in this one. Spinach there. There we go. Got my cucumber toilet. I think I'll put it down here. Put my yogurt in here. Some baking butter.